Plant FAQs, Ficus Moclame. The enduring appeal of the Ficus Moclame, a plant parent's guide. There's a certain charm to bringing a piece of the tropics indoors. Lush greenery instantly transforms a space, breathing life and a touch of the exotic into our everyday lives. That's the magic of the Ficus Moclame, a tropical evergreen that has become a favorite among plant enthusiasts like myself. For years, my Ficus Moclame has been a stalwart companion in my home. Its glossy, rounded leaves and resilience have earned it a prime spot on my bookshelf, adding a touch of vertical interest. But beyond its aesthetics, the Ficus Moclame has a surprising amount to offer. See more 880 species in genus Ficus at monsteraholic.com. What is Ficus Moclame? This beauty hails from the sunny shores of southern Asia and Australia. Often mistaken for its cousin, the Ficus benjamina, the Moclame can be distinguished by its thicker, rounder leaves. In its natural habitat, the Ficus Moclame can reach staggering heights of 50 feet, transforming into a majestic banyan tree. Don't worry, though, indoors these beauties typically stay within a manageable 6 feet, making them ideal for apartments and smaller homes. How to care for Ficus Moclame. The Ficus Moclame's popularity stems not just from its good looks, but also from its relative ease of care. Here's what I've learned to keep mine thriving. Light it up, but not too much. Imagine a dappled forest floor bathed in morning sunlight. That's the ideal light situation for your Ficus Moclame. Bright, indirect light is key. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water wisely. Finding the watering sweet spot is crucial. The Ficus Moclame prefers consistently moist, but not soggy, soil. Aim to let the top inch or two of soil dry out between waterings. Stick your finger in the pot. If it feels dry to the first knuckle, it's watering time. Finding the perfect pot. Proper drainage is essential to prevent root rot. Choose a pot with drainage holes and avoid overpotting. A pot that's just an inch or two wider than the root ball is ideal. Feed the beast. Lightly a balanced fertilizer applied once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, will keep your Ficus Moclame happy. Opt for a diluted solution to avoid fertilizer burn. Location. Ficus Moclame enjoys a warm and stable environment. Keep it away from drafts and sudden temperature changes. A spot with consistent temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. Shaping up your Ficus Moclame, pruning and maintenance. With a little TLC, you can shape your Ficus Moclame into a stunning topiary. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and helps maintain the desired form. Prune during the spring or summer growing season, using sharp, sterilized pruning shears. Remember, a clean cut is crucial to prevent infection. You can also pinch off new growth to encourage branching and a fuller appearance. How to propagate Ficus Moclame. The joy of owning a Ficus Moclame can be doubled by propagating new plants. Here's a simple method. Take stem cuttings with at least 2 leaves during the growing season. Make a clean cut just below a leaf node, the bump where the leaf meets the stem. Remove the lower leaves from the cutting, leaving just the top 2. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional, but can improve success rate. Plant the cutting in a pot with a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide bright, indirect light. With patience, you'll see new growth emerge in a few weeks. The Ficus Moclame has become a cherished part of my home, offering a touch of the tropics and a constant reminder of the beauty of nature. With a little understanding of its needs, you too can cultivate this easygoing beauty and bring a bit of the exotic indoors.